We're here at Lake Braddock Secondary School in the Braddock District for the first annual Climate Action Conference. Our purpose here today is to give people actionable tools and information that they can use to reduce their emissions and save money. And the great news is it's a really exciting time because there are so many programs at the federal, state, and local levels available for people to do just that. We have members of the Board of Supervisors, the chairman of the Board of Supervisors, Congressman Jerry Connolly, a representative from the Federal Department of Energy. We're going to have a panel discussion titled Race to Zero, where we have faith leaders, government experts, and a climate scientist talking about the actions we can all take to reduce our emissions. And we're going to have two separate breakout sessions.
With Supervisor Walkinshaw's conference today here in Braddock District, we're now looking at real specifics at a granular level of how we can better the environment, live a green life, and contribute to the reduction in the carbon footprint. Marshaling resources, giving everybody an opportunity to participate, to be heard, to get more information, and to act, is how Fairfax County does business.
We know that in order to really address climate change, it's a community-wide response. And so today is about ways that the community can engage, can participate, and can help us towards our climate goals in Fairfax County. And I don't think there's many people in this county that don't want to adopt greener practices. They just may not understand exactly what those are or what the benefits of them are. And so a conference like today is really designed to help spread that word and to make sure our county residents know all the ways in which they can help us.